Alright, so for my Project Week 6 video, we were told to create a card game, the card game War, in a automated fashion with Eclipse. So here I have my app page, which kind of holds all of my codes that call back to my other instances here, such as having my card one, which I use to set up all of the values of cards, similar to that one that we did in week 5, with name, suit, value, concatenating name plus of the suit and value with my setters and getters here. And then those cards being formed into decks, giving them the spades, clubs, hearts, your suits, numbers, those are all defined here. I had a for loop for doing the count of two cards being drawn. I also had my methods here to shuffle the collection of cards, which you can see up here when ran. We have the new deck made. This is the deck, the first instance of it. Here's the shuffle deck. And then from there we have our two players, which is a two-player game. We have their names, their scores that'll be listed. I had their hand in their own sort of file as well, so that each player's hand is defined. We have the draw mechanic here, the flip mechanic, the increment score, which as you can see here, when we first start out, I have it say that the players start off with no cards, and then as we go, player one plays the 13 of hearts, compared to the player 2 playing the spades, ace of spades, which is 14 points, and then I had it down here to calculate the score. And then I had the score value here with the public method of get score, applying that to my cards. The score is equal to that, greater than or equal to the card value, which is how that keeps track. And then I had it keep track of my score that way. So as you can see, as it goes down, it automatically plays through and does rounds 1 of 26. And each time it goes through, there is also a, let's see, where did I put it? I have a method in here that is used to, so we have right here. So this determines if player 1 wins the battle. This determines if player 2 wins the battle. This here concatenates and displays my current score for each round. This here tallies up later down like the entire score. I also did, if there was a tie, to do a ceasefire. So that kind of just like a tie round, and then you go to the next. And then my else if statement here of if player 1's score is greater than player 2's score, then it puts out player 1 wins, and then vice versa down here with the rest. I also went through and did a little bit of design with it to add different line brackets to separate certain things, make it look a little bit nicer. But yeah, there it is. I'll go ahead and hit run one more time, so you can see that it completely goes through. And this time, player 2 won, 7-14.